And I don't see any greediness.
Kurumirira unyihu wa mbeca muthibari-ini guothe bururi-ini, atongoria aria mamirugamiriire marenda maheagwo mbeca kuma kigina kia WAKI NIKIO National Infrastructure Funds niguo kugacirithia WAKI na kurehe uthii wa nambere mithibari-ini iria marugamiriire. Raymond Kenyua niwe muikariri giti wa kamiti ya mibango ya thirikari cia matura. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano gia thikũ ithatũ kia mithibari yothe bururi-ini mwena wa Naivasha, Kenyua ni araugire kigina kia WAKI ni kirabatarania kurumirira uingi wa andu tauni-ini nene.
We are looking at a setup whereby once we have the urban fund, we are certain that we can be able to handle some of those challenges that are there, more so even with climate change and whatever is happening, matter social housing, and very, very many things. So this, our main challenge is the lack of deliberate funding, a clear fund that is earmarked for the urban areas. And it is sad because even our structure, if you look at Europe, if you look at the US and all over, these people have followed the structure of urban setup.
Muikariri giti wa muthibari wa Naivasha Peter Kimani augite wongerereku wa andu matauni-ini ni ucungiriire mathina maingi maria marabatara indo nyingi niguo gutangikirwo na ihenya.
I think all these small things like tragedies like that, accidents happening in the cities, in the towns, can be avoided if the municipalities are given the mandate, they are devolved properly so that they have resources. And also they are included when it comes to issues like zoning. They should be very involved in the zoning of the towns, because the towns are growing and we need cemeteries, we need parks where all these people can come and enjoy when they build all these houses they're building in our town, like our municipality of Naivasha.
Kuringana na Wanyonyi Buteo muikariri giti wa matauni na mithibari, kigomano giki ni giguthondeka mitaratara iria ikuhotithia mithibari kwirugamia wega na gukinyaniria uthii wa nambere.
We have the urban development fund. There will be resources pulled together as be dispersed as conditional grant for municipalities to work. And remember, as chairpersons of municipalities and cities, we are not congregating in Naivasha for a lamentation session. We are here to prescribe what can work. Our growth as a nation will not depend on donor funding. Donor funding is a stopgap measure. We are more interested in how we can make real on-source revenue.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wambui wa Gitahi.